folks, Aaron from Beansprout here. I have a tenor banjo here. This is the last instrument for 2025. This is from a customer who plays tenor banjo, but they wanted the non-steel strings. And I love putting this little set together. I think I've done this 3 times now, and it's just really fun. I'm really pleased with this design. So the basics here is we've got a walnut block rim with Wenge as its trim wood there. A little brass tone ring, synthetic head. Got a walnut neck here. And we've got Wenge for the trim up here too. Fretboard, head plate, bridge, all that. So Wenge is a tropical wood. I don't normally use it, but I've salvaged some from a cabinet shop. And it's a really good hard fretboard wood. It has a texture to it though, and some folks maybe aren't into that. If you want just like the old school ebony where it's just like glass, this is different. It has a texture, which I like. And then this customer needed my non-steel string set, so it's 2 wound classical guitar strings and 2 fluorocarbon strings, and they're playing C, G, D, A. We've got a wooden armrest here from Pisgah, Balsam Banjo Works, and we've got a K&K pickup in it. So I don't play with the plectrum much, but I'm trying to because I know that's what the tenor banjo players like. So. Pretty cool, really long sustain. Walnut's always a favorite of mine. So yeah, thanks a lot folks, and thanks for a good year. Cheers.